Hello everyone, my name is Bulla Rajesh. I'm from the Department of IT, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, India. Our paper title is HH Compressed WordNet Holistic Handwritten Word Recognition in the Compressed Domain. The motivation is handwritten documents are common in historical and current daily communications. In general, handwritten recognition techniques suffer from many challenges, including uneven spacing between text lines and words, stroke curvature variation, overlapping of adjacent text components, in the presence of diacritics, etc. The better recognition techniques of handwritten text open many applications in the field of document image analysis, like reading aid for the blind, bank check processing, captcha processing, postal mail sorting, mobile OCR, online signature. With this motivation, the rest of the contents are like this: introduction, methodology, proposed deep learning architecture, experiments and analysis, conclusion and future work. In general, handwritten words are recognized using two techniques. First one is character-based approaches. Second one is holistic-based approaches. Character-based approaches follow a two-stage process where the individual characters are first identified and used to recognize the entire word. This approach needs domain expertise and includes more computational charges. In this paper, we focused on developing holistic word recognition using a deep learning model directly in the compressed domain. We used compression algorithm and we transformed all the given images into DCT version, and we used that images to train our model. The methodology is having two main parts. One is feature extraction part, another one is recognition part. We apply partial decoding on the compressed images and then extract the DCT word images. We feed these images to the deep learning model HH compressed WordNet. Once the model is trained with these images, we test the model with the compressed images and then see whether the images are properly recognized or not. We visualize those images for the human perception. The proposed deep learning architecture HH compressed WordNet has two main parts. One is feature extraction part where we used three convolution layers, and another one is recognition part where one single fully connected layer is there. So these three convolution layers extract various features from the DCT stream of the word images, and these features are feed to the fully connected layer to recognize them in the compressed domain. We visualized some of the features which are activated during the training at various layers. So here we can see most of the features are being activated at the middle part of the contents. So here we see some crucial contents are being vanished at various activations. The experimental results are like this. So we tested our model on a benchmark dataset called KMeterDB. We got the 86.80% accuracy, which is the state-of-the-art accuracy in this domain. We also know we also listed the parameters, the total number of parameters we used to solve this problem. When compared to all other methods, our model has used less number of parameters to solve this problem. We we calculated the class-wise accuracy for each class, and then we noted that almost all the classes are being recognized more than 80%. Some classes recognized more than 97%, 98%, and so on. So with this, we want to conclude our work, which is developed in the JPEG compressed domain and achieved state of the accuracy. Our future work is that we are motivated to continue in this domain to explore various applications directly in this domain. Thank you. That's all.